Hello guys and welcome back. It's me Aziz Sadat with another Photoshop tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove anything from image and background, what image you want. And there is a lot of weight things and object from image, but I'm gonna show you the most powerful and usable way, and I did it before, and as you see it's absolutely natural and looks real, and it's the original image. Okay, let's get started how we are gonna do this. First let me delete this image and now unlock the layer, or it's not necessary, just take a duplicate and by pressing Ctrl plus J, and now create a new layer, and take your brush and press B or you here now. Okay, let's get started, and don't forget it and create a new layer, and okay, let's go. You can by pressing shift or hold shift and click here and click here. It's a little usable, and click here and hold shift, click here, and again hold shift and click here, and hold shift and guys, we are done with the brushing, and now hold the control and press your layer, and now select your layer and go to edit and content area fill. Okay guys, let's see the result. It's working on it. Just maybe take a few seconds. And about the property, you don't need touch. You don't need to increase or decrease or maybe touch that. Okay guys, let's see the result. And okay, and now press OK. Okay, and now hide the layer, this layer, and Ctrl plus T for deselected. Okay guys, see, it's awesome, it's really awesome. And now we need to fix some problem or issues. Like you see, it's easy. We have different way to fix all this problem. Go here and choose spot healing brush tool and increase the size maybe and go and decrease the hardness. Okay, and now you can see the result. It's working good. And what can I do with this? Maybe it's okay, let's remove it. And we are do it by sampling, and go there and take healing brush tool, and it's take sampling some specific area we want, and the area we gonna choose. For example, I'm choose here, and sorry about that. Take your layer and go. Maybe I need to decrease the size. Okay, and now if you want to rotate the brush, you can do from here, and you can change it. Maybe about 5. Let's see. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now we choose the spot healing again, and go work on this area. Okay guys, thank you. We are almost done, and I hope it's was helpful for you. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. If you have any